Still a few things I got to do. I got to make sure the timing's set. Got to set the points. Eventually I'll go electronic distributor on this motor, but not right now. Got to put the harmonic balancer on, get it all set in, all the little crap hooked back up to it. Probably go ahead and pull the 4-speed out of the car, put it all on here. I may run it a little while outside the car just in case something goes bad. This engine is a 66 383, board 60 over. Probably going to have some heating issues with it at first. It's probably going to run hot. And just little things. Make sure everything's hooked up, make sure the headers fit. I'm going to have to probably put them in after the motor is in the car, or maybe, I don't know if I can set them in the car and set the motor down in between them. If you're watching this, a Mopar guy, and you've done this, let me know, because this was my dad's stuff. Me and him used to do this. He passed away. So now I don't have the all-knowing dad to go to and ask, hey, how does this work? Can I do it this way? Now, I've put motors in before with automatics. I know I can do it with the transmission in. With a 4-speed and the Z-bar, I'll probably just go ahead and pull that out, put it all together, and drop it back in. That'll give me a chance to run this motor a little bit before it's in the car. The cam's been broke in before. It's an old Racer Brown cam. It was custom ground for my dad. I know it's kind of an older cam. It's all I had. There wasn't nothing wrong with it. It was very clean. Me and him put this motor together before he passed away. The old motor, which you saw me move out of the way, it broke a cylinder ring in the number 8 cylinder. Started oiling real bad. And eventually I just decided to pull it out. I heard some relatives were trying to get my keys and take the car. So I figured, you know, if there's no engine in it and there's no real reason to take it. Well, I mean, when it took apart, it would be harder to take. They'd still take it. It's a Super Bee. And I got to get this carburetor pulled off, get my mounting plate on, get it off this stand, get the other motor on the stand. I got to figure out some way to maybe make a stand in the floor to run this a little while on. I've seen Dad do it before. He had it sitting on an old rim, or 413 rather, sitting on an old car rim, and it didn't make that good of an engine mount. That's all he had though. He made it work, but it was shaking really bad. I imagine this one will do about the same. So I'm going to try and make some kind of mount to go on the mounts and at the bell housing as well. And then hopefully get this back in and take it on a test drive with my new camera. I live in just west of Birmingham, Alabama. I'll probably take it to Georgia and buy a lottery ticket just for the heck of it. And maybe we'll win and I can buy a Daytona. Probably not though, it's just for fun, right over there. Go on a road trip, get out of the house. See how many people wave and point on the highway. And maybe I can get some more use out of this engine hoist camera.